Hi guys, my name is Dr. Sid. Today I'm going to be talking about a product that is very, very special to me. This product is for people who like to watch amazing entertainment but also love their video games. What is this product, you might ask? It is the LG OLED TV, and we're looking specifically at the 55-inch CX. Now, this model has something very, very special about it because it has features that were typically designed for gaming monitors, and they put them in a TV on a larger scale. So you can imagine playing video games in your house, getting the same quality that you would get on a gaming monitor but on a large screen. You cannot beat this. Now, some of these features include the 4K Ultra HD, a 120Hz refresh rate, low input lag, and a response time of 1 millisecond. Now, those are just the gaming features, but there are also some other amazing features which we're going to be taking a look at in this video. So don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. We have tested the LG OLED TV with two of the next gen consoles, which is the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X. Take a look at the footage of some of the gameplay, especially looking at the things like the low input lag, the high 120Hz refresh rate, playing on 4K Ultra HD on games like FIFA 21 and Call of Duty. LG has partnered with Microsoft and the Xbox Series X to give you the best quality of gaming for the Series X. As you can see, it's set up at 4K Ultra HD with a 120Hz refresh rate. Most games play on a 60Hz refresh rate. So we can see up there, we just had two messages come up which says that instant game response was turned on and HDR was turned on as well. We're going to jump into two of my favorite games today, which is the FIFA 21. We have the next gen version, and we're going to be taking a look at Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's jump into FIFA first of all. You guys can already tell that it looks amazing on game mode. Look at the detail in the players' faces. You see the detail in the stadium, crisp quality. Bruno Fernandes looks so amazing. Did you see the texture on the grass and how it literally moved when the players' foot stepped on it? That's what the high dynamic range gives you, the ability to appreciate every single thing. The shadows, gameplay looks amazing.
Attempting that through ball. Oh, you don't want to lose them. And there it is! The opening of the Derby for
Scrappy goal, but we don't care. We don't care at all. Alright, so that was FIFA 21, one of my favorite games. But as you can see, the texture, the quality, the replays look absolutely crisp. It looks like I'm watching a real football match. I mean, look at the intensity between every single person in that crowd right now. That is the power of the LG OLED TV. But I also want to show a very amazing feature that the TV has. It has an ability to detect the console or the device that's connected to it. And with the universal remote control, you can actually control the Xbox dashboard from your LG remote control. Can you see that? I can literally launch games, enter my games and apps, browse the Xbox dashboard using the LG remote control. I think that's just an amazing feature. Now let's switch over to the PS5. As you can see, it automatically detects the product or the device connected to it and names the HDMI port accordingly. This icon you see over here shows that the remote control can control the dashboard. Now let's take a look at the PS5. So we're going to be taking a look at Call of Duty Warzone. From the jump up, I can already see that it looks so crisp and clear in relation to other monitors that I've played this game on. Wow, look at that sound.
Now, I'd like to also quickly mention a really amazing feature that comes with the LG OLED 55CX TV, and that is GSync and FreeSync. Now, these are technologies that are designed to run with the NVIDIA or AMD graphics card to improve your gaming experience by reducing input lag and screen tearing, which happens when you're moving and there's some sort of motion blur. So it cleans up your screen and gives you the best gaming experience.
One thing you also need to notice is the details in the blacks, the contrast, the high, that's what they call the high dynamic range. I mean, look at the smoke in the background. You can see exactly how much detail you get when you're looking at that. This you can't get from any other TV in the world. Only the OLED TV can do that. Like what I was talking about with the low input lag, there's literally no delay between me pushing a button and seeing the response on the TV. With most TVs, there's a slight delay.
As I mentioned earlier on as well, most gaming TVs or monitors are capped at 60 Hz, which is the refresh rate, that is the speed at which your screen refreshes every single time to give you the best quality of picture. But the LG OLED TV 55CX can do up to 120 Hz, which gives you a much better refresh rate and gaming experience, and also gives you an advantage over people playing on 60 Hz monitors.
So as you can see, without a doubt, the LG OLED TV is by far the best gaming TV for your home setup. For someone like me, like I said, who likes to relax, chill, watch a lot of amazing content on TV, but also play video games, you definitely need to have one of these in your house. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Sid, and we have just done a gaming review of the LG OLED TV 55CX, and it was definitely amazing. I have one, and I definitely think you should get one too. Shout out to LG for the hookup. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dr. Sid on Boxes, and we'll see you later.